Spokesperson Pagey claims this has to do with at least the potential of filing additional criminal charges.
That's exactly right. He said those instructions to remove Elena's organs were in case future criminal charges were pressed against Elena's biological parents. They were prosecuted and punished in 2010 for child abuse when Elena suffered from shaken baby syndrome. But when she died, NAG says they needed more evidence to see exactly what caused her death. NAG Pathology released a statement responding to a lawsuit that names Chief Medical Examiner Dr. Sam Andrews, Dr. Evan Matches, and NAG Pathology. That lawsuit claims they mishandled Elena Castella's remains and interfered with the family's rights to cremate all of Elena. The family said the alleged removal and shipment of Elena's organs was all done without permission.
They don't need authorization. By law, they're the medical examiner.
But according to NAG Pathology spokesperson, they were acting in their legal right to collect evidence.
They did exactly what they're supposed to do to protect the interests of the child who is potentially a victim of a crime, was a victim of a crime. They did what they're supposed to do, and they did it correctly.
Elena was a victim of shaken baby syndrome in 2010 in Sedgwick County, Kansas. According to the lawsuit, her biological parents were prosecuted that year. The Sedgwick County DA told us they were contacted about Elena's autopsy in the fall. They're now looking into possible further legal action.
They're doing our best practices to conduct a proper autopsy that you can defend in court.
But lawyers for Ortiz say taking organs and shipping them to San Diego went too far.
In our petition, it is alleged that they went above and beyond the standard that they should follow in completing a pediatric forensic autopsy.
And several allegations against NAG Pathology say they weren't taking the organs for criminal cases, but instead for research, something NAG completely denies.
They have said repeatedly in multiple statements that they don't do research. It's on their website.
But Ortiz's lawyer points out the autopsy instructions don't mention a criminal case. Instead, it's listed as a particular administrative interest. We do know now that when Elena died, the medical examiner did contact law enforcement in Wichita, Kansas, where the original child abuse case took place. And while waiting for the autopsy report, the district attorney there made calls on what legal options they may have 9 years later.